Welcome aboard, everyone. For anybody that's not joined us before, welcome. I've just been on the chat looking at where everyone's from. I've seen Bristol, Dusseldorf, so welcome wherever you are in the world. Accelerate. We're hosting events now online for obvious reasons. So a bit of a backstory. Previously, we would do physical offline events. Now we're focusing on webinars, summits, etc. So welcome to Scaling Inbound Lead Generation by Accelerate. We've got 5 really great speakers coming along today. Myself, I'm hosting. I will also be presenting LinkedIn tactics to drive lead generation to your business. I'm commercial lead at Accelerate, by the way, so I look after sales and marketing. We also have co-founder and search director Nick Brown. He'll be talking about how you can scale your content marketing for SEO and lead generation. We also have one of our lovely clients, Xiao from Brightpearl. She's a global head of lead gen over there. She'll be talking about how she achieved 60% growth in lead gen in 1 year. We also have our co-founder and analytics director, Phil Pierce. He'll be talking about the top 10 ways to make or save money using GA for lead gen websites. And finally, we have our headline speaker, Sam O'Brien, and he'll be talking about how he helped scale growth to 1 billion annual recurring revenue, pretty impressive, with SEO, CRO and content marketing. So there's a nice mix of clients and conversations that we'll be having today.